Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity and sustainability come together beautifully. If you've ever looked at a small piece of old wood and wondered, what can I possibly do with this? Today's video will open your eyes to a world of possibilities. In this episode, Tiny Treasures Profitable Small Reclaimed Wood Decor Ideas for Every Space, we're diving into the charm of small-scale projects that not only add warmth and personality to your home, but can also bring in a nice profit when sold. Because here at Kuki Decor, we believe every scrap of wood has a story, and every creation has value. There's something magical about working with reclaimed wood. Each grain, each knot, each imperfection tells a tale of time, nature, and craftsmanship. When you transform those forgotten fragments into functional decor, you're not just crafting an object, you're preserving a piece of history and giving it new life, and also when that aged wood is given new purpose, it carries with it a warmth and character that breathe life into modern interiors. Unlike factory-made decor, reclaimed wood pieces have a soul, their imperfections become their charm, their history becomes their strength. Its raw, organic look pairs beautifully with any design style, from cozy farmhouse to sleek minimalism. The contrast between rough textures and clean lines creates a balance that feels both modern and nostalgic. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, reclaimed wood decor is a celebration of sustainability. By repurposing old materials, we reduce waste, save trees, and create something meaningful from what others might discard. It's more than decor, it's a statement of mindful living and creative renewal. Whether you're making rustic home organizer, minimalist wall art, small candle holders, or elegant key racks, these little treasures bring both beauty and sustainability into your space. They are easy to make, inexpensive, and profitable to sell. If you're just starting your woodworking or upcycling journey, small projects like these are the perfect place to begin. You don't need a large workshop or fancy equipment, just a bit of creativity, a few basic tools, and a love for crafting. With small reclaimed wood decor ideas, you can create stunning home accents that look high-end, but cost almost nothing to make. Imagine turning leftover pallet pieces into tiny planters, or small geometric shelves. These are the kinds of projects that sell quickly at local markets or online, especially because they combine eco-friendliness with modern design. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on the notification bell. We post new videos every day packed with fresh ideas for reclaimed wood, DIY furniture, and eco-friendly decor. Whether you're crafting for passion or profit, you'll always find inspiration here to spark your next creation. One of the most profitable categories for small reclaimed wood crafts is personalized decor. Items like engraved name signs, coasters with initials, or photo frames made from weathered wood tend to sell fast because they carry emotional value. Shoppers love buying handmade items that feel unique and personal, especially when they know the materials were sustainably sourced. Now, let's talk about the beauty of small reclaimed wood decor ideas that fit every space. In tiny apartments, cozy studios, or even large family homes, space-conscious designs are in high demand. People love decor that feels warm and natural yet doesn't overwhelm their rooms. Think of wall-mounted mini shelves for displaying small plants, candle holders that double as centerpieces, or mini wall hangings that bring rustic charm to minimalist interiors. The secret is simplicity. Each design should highlight the natural beauty of the wood while maintaining functionality. If you enjoy rustic aesthetics, you can play with contrasting textures, Pair smooth sanded surfaces with raw, unfinished edges. This wabi-sabi-inspired approach celebrates imperfection and gives your decor a handmade, authentic character that appeals to buyers who appreciate natural design. You can also add small metal hooks, rope handles, or glass jars to your wood pieces to elevate their functionality. Every added detail gives your project a unique touch and increases its selling potential. What makes reclaimed wood decor so profitable is its low cost and high perceived value. Most materials are free or inexpensive, yet the finished pieces sell for impressive margins, especially when presented with care and creativity. Each item can be customized, branded, or sold as a one-of-a-kind design, attracting buyers who appreciate craftsmanship and sustainability. Beyond the business side, working with reclaimed wood is deeply satisfying, a way to create, restores, and inspire while also earning income. It's proof that profit and purpose can coexist beautifully. So, when you craft decor from reclaimed wood, you're not just building something beautiful, you're building a brand, a lifestyle, and a legacy. Turn old wood into timeless treasures, and let creativity become your most rewarding investment. When creating for profit, presentation matters. Even the tiniest wood decor piece can look high-end with proper finishing. Use eco-friendly stains or natural oils like linseed or beeswax to enhance the grain and color. Consider using recycled packaging when selling your products online. It aligns with your sustainable brand image and attracts eco-conscious customers. Don't forget to photograph your creations in soft lighting and natural setups for your Etsy, Instagram, or Facebook shop. Visuals make all the difference in how people perceive your work. If you love these reclaimed wood ideas so far, hit that like button and share this video with friends who love crafting or want to start a small woodworking business. It's amazing how many people have old wood lying around, not realizing it could become a source of both creativity and income. Together, we can inspire more makers to build sustainable, profitable decor from the simplest materials. Another great tip for anyone turning small reclaimed wood decor into a side business is to bundle your creations. Instead of selling single coasters or candle holders, offer them as themed sets. For instance, a rustic home starter set with a key holder, mini shelf, and a matching candle stand can make your listings stand out. People love buying cohesive sets that make decorating easy, and you can price them higher while keeping your costs low. Think beyond home decor, too. Small reclaimed wood projects make thoughtful gifts for weddings, holidays, or housewarmings. Handmade wooden ornaments, jewelry holders, or mini message boards are all simple to create and easy to ship, perfect for online sales. Adding a small brand tag or your logo subtly burned into the wood can turn your hobby into a recognizable brand identity over time. What's truly special about reclaimed wood decor is its versatility. Each piece of wood carries its own character, maybe a mark from an old nail, or a weathered patina from years outdoors. Instead of hiding those imperfections, highlight them. Those features are what make your projects one of a kind. When your buyers understand that their decor piece is made from reclaimed, repurposed wood, they don't just see a product, they see a story. And stories sell. At Kuki Decor, we've seen that small projects often bring the biggest joy, both to the maker and the buyer. When you craft something from reclaimed wood, you're creating beauty with a purpose. You're helping reduce waste, celebrating craftsmanship, and spreading the message of sustainability one piece at a time. So whether you're designing for your own home, preparing gifts for loved ones, or building a small creative business, remember that even the tiniest pieces of reclaimed wood can become treasures worth keeping. From rustic candle stands to minimalistic trays and handcrafted frames, every small decor piece has the power to warm a space and tell a meaningful story. Thank you so much for spending time with us today at Kuki Decor. We hope you're feeling inspired to start your next reclaimed wood project and see the potential in every tiny piece of wood around you. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily videos filled with sustainable ideas, woodworking tutorials, and creative decor projects that turn old wood into something truly special. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep turning small things into big treasures. Until next time, happy crafting from all of us here at Kuki Decor.